Hello, dear researchers, dear guests, dear colleagues. Let us introduce ourselves to you, first of all. My name is Associate Professor Dr. Murat TEZER, and my colleague.
My name is Meryem CUMHUR. I am Assistant Professor Doctor at Mathematics Department of Nearest University in North Cyprus.
Yes, we are from Nearest University, from Mathematics Education Department. So in our research, we are going to talk about primary schools, third grade mathematics school curricula. We are going to compare it and according to the NCTM principles and standards. So let me give this opportunity to start with this presentation. Okay, Assistant Professor Dr. Meryem CUMHUR will talk and deliver her speech. Yes.
Yes, we will talk about a comparison of primary schools mathematics curricula with respect to National Council of Teachers of Mathematics principle and standards. Firstly, I want to talk about the introduction of this study. Developments in technology and changing living conditions require individuals to be more knowledgeable and equipped than in the past, particularly in a field shaped around the basic skills of reasoning and problem solving, such as mathematics. The demand to educate students in a better way increase the need for more efficient and effective education and training programs. Basic education mathematics programs in the Northern Cyprus have been reorganized with an interdisciplinary perspective and an understanding that places the student at the center in line with 21st century characteristics. The main focus of the mathematics curriculum in Southern Cyprus is to prepare students to take basic mathematics lessons. It's based on 4 principles, such that the first one is the student's participation, the second one is problem solving, third one is information technologies, and the last one is students' experiences related to daily life. As you see, the aim of this study is to compare the primary school third grade mathematics curriculum in Northern and Southern Cyprus in line with NCTM principles and standards, and to evaluate them in line with teachers' opinions. National Council of Teachers of Mathematics principles and standards. I want to talk about the principle and standards as a summary. They are divided into different sections: equity, curriculum, teaching, learning, assessment, and technology are included in the NCTM principle, whereas this standard consists of 2 main sections, namely content and process. The content standard consists of elements such as numbers and operations, algebra, geometry, measurement, data analysis, and probability, whereas the process standard is formed by criteria such as problem solving, reasoning and proof, communication, representation, and association. These principles and standards are explained in 2019 of the executive summary. The model of the study is: this research was conducted using qualitative document review and interview methods. Northern and Southern Cyprus third grade mathematics curricula were examined separately by the authors, these are we are, and compared in line with NCTM principles and standards. The training programs examined were compared and evaluated by performing documents, reviews on writing documents. The study group is, in order to conduct the qualitative interviews of this research, a study group was formed consisting of 16 teachers. 8 of them are from 3rd grade elementary school under the Ministry of National Education of Turkish Republic of Northern Cyprus. The other 8 of them of the classroom teachers reporting to the Southern Cyprus Ministry of Education and Culture in 2019-20 academic year. The data collection tools. According to the data on the 3rd grade mathematics curricula in Northern and Southern Cyprus were collected based on the existence of equity, curriculum, teaching, learning, assessment, and technology criteria in NCTM principles. The existence of number and operations, algebra, geometry, measurement, data analysis, and probability criteria among the content standards, and the existence of problem solving, reasoning, and proof, communication, representations, and associations criteria within the process standard. In addition, a semi-structured interview form developed by us was used in this research. After the form containing the interview questions was prepared, the questions were presented to one Turkish and one Greek language specialist as well as 2 assessment and evaluation specialists. According to the aim of this study, we use align with the main purpose of the research. The questions posed to the teachers are as follows. Does the 3rd grade mathematics curriculum offer some support to all students? Is the 3rd grade mathematics curriculum considerably supported by activities? Are the activities consistent with the topics? And the third one is, does the 3rd grade mathematics curriculum encourage students to improve their knowledge? The other one is, does the 3rd grade mathematics curriculum support or develop the students positively in the terms of technology? And also, are the measurements and evaluations made in the mathematics curriculum appropriate, or should they be changed? Which course contents can be used in mathematics lessons? Or is this curriculum satisfactory in terms of reaching the goals and achievements? How satisfactory are the following elements for the current 3rd grade mathematics curriculum? Should NCTM standards be used in the mathematics curriculum? Why or why not? Is the 3rd grade mathematics curriculum satisfactory for students to use their learning experiences and mathematics in daily life? They want from the classroom teachers, and they can explain how this is like that. And the last one is, do you think this curriculum should be changed? Is it satisfactory? Do certain changes need to be made? They want from them to explain for this study. I want to invite Associate Professor Dr. Murat TEZER to continue to the presentation.
Thank you very much for your presentation. Now, I want to share my screen right now. Now, let me continue with analysis of data. Now, here we have used content analysis. It is conducted for the data collected in the study, and tabulation was performed. Of course, here, when we compare the opinions of teachers in northern and southern Cyprus, it is seen that all the educators think that the third grade mathematics curriculum provides strong support to students, that the curriculum is reinforced with several activities that are consistent with the topics, that they encourage students to improve their knowledge, that they support and improve students in positive directions with regard to technology, and that the measurement and the evaluation method used is appropriate. NCTM standards should be used in the mathematics curriculum, of course. However, in response to the question of which course content can be used in mathematics lessons, teachers in Northern Cyprus said Turkish, and social studies, drawing, and computer, while Southern Cyprus teachers responded as Greek and science. This means that the communities living in the two different parts of the same country responded with Turkish and Greek, respectively, due to their language differences. In addition, in response to the question regarding whether the third grade mathematics curriculum is satisfactory or whether it needs to be changed, teachers in Northern Cyprus said that it was satisfactory, but there were too many topics and that the curriculum should be simplified. Repetitions and activities should be increased and related to other courses. Teachers in Southern Cyprus, on the other hand, responded to the question as follows. It is satisfactory. The necessary changes were made in 2016, and the works are still in progress. This finding shows that we have reached the same conclusion as the annual report 2017. As recommendations to our study can be given like that, it is very important that teachers are given the freedom to develop their own approach and that the students practice and develop their competencies. Today, NCTM standards are considered important in mathematics education in countries such as South Korea, Australia, Finland, and Taiwan. The purpose of the studies carried out in the field of education program is not to harm the program, but to produce results, trigger development. For this reason, while developing mathematics curricula, they can be prepared according to NCTM principles and standards. We use some references in our study, and you can easily find with using the given links here. For example, we have used NCTM or NCTM directly executive summary PDF file, which is published and it can be accessed right now. Also, we have used Ministry of Education and Culture annual reports for Southern Cyprus. Also, we have used annual report 2017. Like same, we have used the annual report for Turkish side, Northern Cyprus, also Ministry of National Education and Culture annual report 2017, and can be accessed given the links also again. And also the other annual report for 2017 can be accessed from here with the given links. Thank you for you very much and listening to us.
And also thank you very much for listening.
Yes, thank you for you all. Let me stop sharing. And if you have such questions, you can ask us anytime, and our email is denoted in the beginning of the presentation. I wish you all success. We all thank to organization committee for this great conference. Okay, thank you all. Good luck. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.